Hi everyone, it's me Poonam and I hope you all are doing good. In our today's video, we are going to practice few breathing exercises to boost up our lungs health, which is the need of the hour. Anybody can practice these exercises, and especially if you are suffering from COVID or you are in the post-recovery phase of COVID, then you must practice these exercises because these will really help you in increasing the oxygen levels in your body. So let's practice our exercises. First of all, sit in any comfortable position, keep your back straight, and now hands in front of your body. If you can practice these exercises while standing, then it will be really good. And if it is not comfortable while standing, you can practice them while sitting as well. So hands in front of your body, palms facing downwards. The gap between your hands should be shoulder width apart. And now inhale and lift your hands up. Hold as long as you're able to hold it here. And slowly exhale and get your hands down. Once again, inhale. Hold. Exhale. Complete inhalation and full exhalation. Alright, so inhale again. Exhale down. And relax. So you can practice these exercises like 3 to 5 times. Alright, now let's do our next exercise. Again, hands in front of your body. Now we slightly turn our palms like this and inhale and take your hands at the back and stretch your hands at the back as if you're trying to hold your hands. So this will completely open up this area, chest area, and your lungs will be fully blown up here. Inhale and hold as long as it is comfortable. Exhale and slowly hands back. One more time, inhale back. Hold and exhale, come back. Let's do it one more time. Inhale. Hold and exhale and come back. And hands down. Now we do our next exercise of the same set. Now we inhale and lift our hand up. And try to keep your hand at the back of your right shoulder here. Now other hand, inhale up. Now touch your left shoulder with your right palm and hold it here. Now again release, exhale and slowly release and hands down. Let's do it one more time. We inhale up, hold. Now other hand, inhale up, hold. Hold it as long as it is comfortable. And exhale and get your hands down. Let's practice it one more time. Inhale. With other hand, hold and exhale and get your hands back to the normal position. Now we do our next exercise. For this, now keep your left hand on your chest, cover it with your right hand. Now we will inhale, and suppose you are inhaling at the count of 15. Hold at the count of 15 and then slowly try to exhale at the count of 20. Now when we are doing it, we are inhaling from nose and exhaling from nose, right? So let's start it now. Left hand, cover it with your right hand, and we do the chest breathing. Hold. And slowly exhale. Inhale. Hold. And exhale. Let's do it one more time. Inhale. And exhale. And relax and hands down. You can practice this again 5 to 7 times. Now we will be practicing deep breathing. Now deep breathing, everybody thinks that it's a very simple exercise, but believe me guys, this is the best exercise to be practiced for your lungs. In fact, the whole respiratory system gets really boosted up with this deep breathing. So we will be practicing it. Just make sure that when you're doing it, do it complete inhalation. Suppose if you're inhaling, so your stomach just blows up, like a balloon, and when you're doing the complete exhalation, your stomach goes inside, right? So just keep it in your mind and do it religiously. So we do deep inhalation, hold as long as it is comfortable, and then exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. And relax. So these you can practice like 10 to 21 times, and whatever you are comfortable with, just do that much guys. You don't have to overexert yourself, but whatever you feel comfortable, keep practicing it. Alright, so we do another exercise of the same breathing, deep breathing, another variation. And for this again, you sit normal and you inhale. Now you hold and you exhale from your mouth. All right, let's do it now. Inhale. You may get whistling sound, so that's completely fine, and it will help you in taking real long exhalation. So inhale. Let's do it one more time. Inhale. Exhale from mouth. And relax. Now you can practice it again, whatever is comfortable to you, 5 to 7 times. Now let's do our last exercise, that is Anulom Vilom. Now one very important point to be kept in mind here is that when you're doing Anulom Vilom, now focus all your energies towards your lungs, right? So when you're inhaling and all your observation towards your lung and exhale from your nose. All right. So basically, when we are doing normal Anulom Vilom, we take very long deep breath where it goes till towards your, feel it towards your stomach. Now we will be feeling it here in our chest. All right. So let's do it. Close your right nostril with your right thumb. We inhale from left. Now close your left nostril and exhale from your right nostril. Now inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. And release. This also you can practice for a few minutes. So guys, these were the exercises which you can practice while you are on your bed, or you can practice them anywhere. And after these exercises, just quietly lie down on your mat in Shavasana and play some nice music and observe each and every body part, and wish you all a very speedy recovery and also a healthy and a happy life. Lots of love and wishes from my side.